Hello everyone. So let's begin with compound interest. It's a very simple topic. Let me start with an example. There is no concept as such. Every concept I'll be explaining with you when I begin with the questions. Let's say principle is 2401. The rate of interest per annum is 14.28%. This is the rate of interest per annum. Okay, and I am asking you to find the difference between SI and CI for 3 years. I hope you got the question. Principal is 2401, rate of interest is 14.28%, and I am asking you to find the difference between SI and CI for 3 years. It's a very simple question. Okay, each and everyone watching this video can solve this question within fraction of seconds. Okay, but as we are beginning a topic, so I have to give clarity on every aspect. So let's start with the very basics. So principal is this, rate of interest is 14.28%. 14.28% is 1 by 7, isn't it? So first year's interest will be how much? 1 by 7 of the principal, that is 343. Second year's interest will be how much? 1 by 7 of the principal, that is 343, and 1 by 7 of the first year's interest, that is 49, right? Third year's interest will be first 1 by 7 of the principal, that is 343, then 1 by 7 of all the interests, because CI is interest on interest, right? We have to calculate interest on interest. So first 1 by 7 of this, that is 49, then 1 by 7 of this, that is again 49, then 1 by 7 of this, that is again 7. Right, so let's find the CI for 4 years, although it's not asked in question, but still I am just doing it for your clarity. 1 by 7 of the principal, that is 343. Now 1 by 7, 14.28%, or 1 by 7 of all the interests. First 1 by 7 of this, then 1 by 7 of this, then 1 by 7 of this. You can write it separately, but I am just writing to save the space. I am just writing 1 by 7 of each of this is 49, and 3 times, so it is 49 into 3. This is 49 into 3. Okay, 49 into 3. Again 1 by 7 of 49, 1 by 7 of 49, 1 by 7 of 49, that is 7 each, and 3 times, so 7 into 3. See, you can write it separately doing the box, but I am just doing it just to save the space. Again 1 by 7 of this is 1. So if I ask you to find the compound interest of 4 years on the principal 2401 at 14.28% rate, so the answer will be CI 4 years, that will be 343 is appearing how many times, students? This is 343 once, twice, thrice, 4 times. So 343 into 4 plus 49 is appearing how many times? See, 1, 2, 3, and this is 3 more, means 49 into 6, and 7 is appearing how many times? Once and 3 times. This is 7 into 4 plus 1 into 1. 1 is appearing only once. Basically 4 years CI is this much. This whole part is 4 years CI. This whole part is 4 years compound interest. Alright. So I'm multiplying basically with 4641. The significance of this I'll come to it in a moment. Let's say I ask you to find this CI for 3 years. CI for 3 years will be how much? You try in your copy. I'm just changing the pen color. Okay, so CI for 3 years will be how much? This is this part. The summation of this part is the CI for 3 years. That is how much? That is 343 is appearing how many times? See, once, twice, thrice. This means 343 into 3 plus 49 is appearing how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 49 into 3, I can tell. Now 7 is appearing only once. 7 into once, sorry. So it's right now 343. So all right, fine. Now CI for 2 years. CI for 2 years will be how much? CI for 2 years will be this part. Let you try in your copy. I'm just changing the pen color, guys, so that there is no confusion. So this CI for 1 second. This is CI for 2 years will be this. Simply this part. So that is how much? This is this 1 second. This is 343 into 2 plus 49 into 1, right? Now the compound interest for first year. Now coming to the compound interest for the first year, that is only 343. The CI for first year, that is only 343 into 1. So I had asked you to find the difference between CI and SI for 3 years. So see, 3 years compound interest is this part. This part is 3 years compound interest, right? And 3 years simple interest. Now you know rate of interest is 1/7. Principal is this. So simple interest for first year will be 1/7 of 2401, that is 343. Simple interest for second year will be again 343. Simple interest for third year will be again 343, and for fourth year will be again 343, right? Simple interest remains same every year. Now simple interest and simple interest for 3 years will be how much? That is 343 into 3. 343 into 3 will be simple interest for 3 years. Now SI and CI difference will be how much? This whole part is compound interest. This whole part, this part is your compound interest for 3 years, okay? And this part is compound interest, sorry, simple interest for 3 years. The difference is what? The difference is only this part, isn't it? This part is basically the simple interest, 343 into 3. This part is simple interest, and this is the compound interest. So difference is only 49 into 3 plus 7 into 1, means this part for 3 years, this part is your simple interest component, and this whole part is your compound interest component. So the difference will be only this part. Difference will be only this part, right? So that's what I have done. For 2 years also, 2 years, the simple interest will be 343 into 343. 343 plus 343, that means 343 into 2, and the compound interest will be this whole part. So difference between CI and SI for 2 years will be only 49. All right, I hope this much is clear. Now let's move to the next part. Let's say the question is principal is 64,000. Basically principal 64,000, and it is asking you to find the CI on 64,000 for 2 years, when rate of interest is let's assume for first year is 10%, and for second year is 12.5%. okay, so it is asking you to find the compound interest on this amount, this principal, when rate of interest for first year is 10% per annum, and for second year is 12.5% per annum, right? So what will be answer? First, see, 10% of principal, that is 6,400. Now 12.5% is basically what? 1/8, because 1/4 is 25%. This is half of this is 1/8. 1/8 of the principal is what? 64,000. So 1/8 will be 1/8 of this is 8,000, right? 1/8 of the principal, 1/8 of principal, then 1/8 of the interest, that is 800. So CI will be, CI for 2 years will be 6400 plus 8000 plus 800. That is coming out to be how much? Out to be 15 200, right? I hope this part is clear. Now let's move to next question. Let's say find the difference between CI and SI for 3 years and for 2 years. The next question is find the difference between CI and SI for 3 years and for 2 years on principal is 54,000, and the first year rate is 10%, for second year rate is 11 whole 1 by 9%, and for third year the rate is 16 whole 2 by 3%. It is asking you to find the difference between CI and SI for 3 years and for 2 years. All right, CI and SI for 3 years and for 2 years. Okay, let's start. So 10% of 54,000 is 5400. This is first year's compound interest, first year simple interest also, because first year simple interest and compound interest is the same. Now 11 whole 1 by 9%. This is basically 1 by 9. How 1 by 9? 9 into 11, 99 plus 100, 100 by 9%. So that is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 of 54. 1 by 9 of 54,000. That is how much? That is 6,000. Again 1 by 9 of 5400, that is 600. Now 16 whole 2 by 3%, that is basically 1 by 6. 1 by 6 of principal, that is 9,000. Again 1 by 6 of first year's interest, that is 1 by 6 of first year's interest is 900. 1 by 6 of this, basically you have to take interest of interest on every interest, right? 6,000 1 by 6 is 1000. 1 by 6 of 600 is again, this part is 100, right? Now it is asking to find difference the 3 years CI and 2 years CI, right? 3 years CI, difference between the CI for 3 years and CI for 2 years. CI for 3 years is this, and the CI for 2 years is how much? CI for 2 years is this, right? So difference will only come from this part, right? So the answer will be 9,000 plus 1, 10,000 plus 1,000, 11,000 will be answer. 11,000 is what? Basically difference of CI and SI for 3 years and 2 years. The answer is 11,000. I hope this part is clear. Now let's move to the next question. Let's say the principal is, let's assume the principal is 35,000. Okay, this is the principal, this is principal. Okay, this part, this is not 35,000 by P. I am just denoting 35,000 as the principal from here, and the first year's rate of interest is 14.28%. okay, and second year's rate of interest is, let's say, 15%. I am asking you to find difference between first year and second year CI, first year and second year CI. Okay, with this rate, first year's rate is 14.28%. 14.28% means interest will be how much? 14.28 is 1 by 7. 1 by 7 of 35,000, that is 5,000. Now second year rate is 15%. 15% is how much? 5% is 1 by 20. 15% is 3 by 20. So 3 by 20 of 35,000 is 3 by 20 35,000 is 5250, right? And 3 by 20 of this will be 750, right? Now the question is asking difference between first year CI and second year CI. That will be how much? That will be simply This part is second year's CI and this part is first year's CI. So second year's CI is 6,000, first year's CI is 5,000. So difference will be just 1,000 is the answer, right? Now moving to the next question. Now next question will be okay, let's for